Well, because the furniture people decided that a time window means nothing to them. Now it's pouring down rain, and I called, and it's now 45 minutes past the time window, the 3 to 5 time window that they gave me, and they're still 20 minutes out. They say we'll deliver it, rain or shine. But I'm like, I didn't want my couch in the fucking rain. But sure, bring it on in the rain, I guess. So yeah, this has been fun. I've been standing around all day long, waiting for my furniture to come. Also, that clicking noise is that ceiling fan. It sucks. Couches have arrived, finally. An hour and 10 minutes past the time they were supposed to. So, I actually just laid down the 3 nasty shelves that were in the pantry on top of flooring that looks just like my actual floor, but it's just extra. So I'm just gonna paint it directly on the floor and put them back in there. That's what we can do. First coat done. I'm gonna let them dry, and then I'm gonna do it again. I don't want to ever paint anything ever again. I hate this. Okay, I'm like stupid exhausted, but I've got shelves back in the pantry, and it's not too terribly gross and scary anymore. Thank God. Ow.